My name is Dr. Jonathan Evans. I made this short video to allow me to demonstrate the sorts of activities I'd like to see when we do your video teleconsultation. You've come to your doctor with symptoms of movement, and these tests will help me to identify what the cause of those abnormal movements might be. We're going to begin by looking at ways we can video tremor symptoms. The first thing I would like to assess is how your tremor is when you are completely relaxed. Place your hands into your lap, close your eyes, and say the months of the year in reverse order. December, November, October, September, and so on until you get through to January. It may be necessary to repeat this. The doctor may then ask you to say that you had threes in turn. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so forth. It's important that the video focuses on the hands and that the hands are not moved from the lap during this phase. The next phase will be to assess how the tremor is when you change your posture or hold your arms or hands in a particular position. The hands should be held out straight. Close your eyes and count backwards from 20 to 1. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, and so on. The hands should then be held under the chin with the elbows out and flexed, like so. It's important that the fingers are not touching. Again, close your eyes and count backwards from 20 towards 1. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, down to 0. The next thing to look at is how the tremor changes with movement towards a target. This may be difficult to do if you only have one person videoing you. What we suggest then is that you use a fixed target and film this side on. We're now going to show the tremor of action, how we'd like to test for it. With your right index finger, touch the target, touch your nose, touch your target, touch your nose. Try and make sure your arm is fully extended. With the left index finger, touch the target, touch your nose, touch the target, touch your nose. The next thing that we will want to assess is your movement speed. We do this first in the upper limbs. We start on the right side. Hold your finger and thumb out and make sure that the finger and thumb are included in the video window. Open and close your fingers as fast as you can, making sure the movement is as big as possible. Do this for 10 to 15 seconds. Repeat on the left side. The next thing is to look at movements of the hand. We call these hand flashes. The hand starts in a fist, fingers are extended, and this is repeated as fast as can be, trying to extend their fingers fully on each occasion. 10 to 15 seconds, and then repeat on the left. The final thing we look at in the upper limbs is twisting movements of the hand. Thumb starts at the top, moves to the bottom, back to the top. This is done as fast as possible for 10 or 15 seconds. And then repeated on the left. We then look at movements in the lower limb. Again, in this case, it's important that the video window includes the feet. Tap the right foot as fast as you can. And then tap the left foot as fast as you can. The final thing that we will assess is copying of a spiral. To do this, you will need to rest a piece of paper on a hard surface. This could be a magazine in your lap. You will see that I marked 2 crosses. Beginning with your right hand, start with a pen on the cross and make a spiral outwards. Switch hands and do the same the left hand. The next thing we are going to assess is your walking. Try and find an area where there is about 5 meters and space for you to turn around. And if you do this twice, you may be asked to examine the eye movements. In this setting, the camera or the video should focus on the face. What you should do is look up, and then look down, look up, and then look down. On each occasion, trying to move your eyes and not your head. Then, again using your eyes, not your head, look to your right, and then to your left, and then to your right, and then to your left. The video is now complete. Thank you.